How does hippocampus store memories?
All right, class, wake up. I have an amazing joke for you, just for you. I thought of it just now. All right, so what do you call a college that a hippopotamus attends? The hippocampus.
It is implausible to think that our hippocampus stores all of our explicit memories like a hard drive. The content of our memory is actually distributed throughout the cortex. What the hippocampus does, though, may be to index these memories. To borrow from computer analogies, the hippocampus may store pointers linking up different aspects of a past experience. The pointers refer to the detailed content in the cortex, and they themselves cannot tell you much about the memory itself. These pointers may be organized in the hippocampus in such a way like which pointers belong to which events, and how the events are organized in time. In other words, it may be a bit like a phone book, in which the phone numbers can be used to dial up the cortex to retrieve specific aspects of an explicit memory. In the phone book, we group together certain phone numbers in a certain orderly fashion. This may be what the hippocampus does. Like other analogies, this isn't meant to be a complete theory. Although the idea of memory indexes in the hippocampus can be traced back to David Marr, the details are controversial and still under active research. But overall, this may help to give us some idea why hippocampal damage doesn't tend to completely wipe out our memories, because the content was never entirely there in the first place. Without this indexing system, though, some stuff may be harder to retrieve, and it may be difficult to write new explicit memories to make sure they follow previous events in our internal timeline. This may be the problem suffered by HM.